Welcome to e-Educational Dispensary. Press the bell icon to never miss any updates.
औज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी वयस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली. Today we will solve practice set 2.5. This is practice set 2.5. But before solving these examples, questions, let's note some key points. Key points of this before solving the questions. One key point mainly, always I am writing this one in this chapter, write the equation in general form. General form, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, and find the value of a, b and c. Then write the discriminant. Write the discriminant. That is, discriminant is b square minus 4ac. It is also denoted as delta. It is a Greek letter, delta. B square minus 4 is also denoted as delta, a Greek letter. Find the value of b square minus 4ac, that is discriminant, if delta is equal to 0. If delta is equal to 0, then the roots of quadratic equation are real and equal. Again, if delta is greater than 0, then the roots of quadratic equation are real and unequal. Again, if delta is less than 0, then the roots of quadratic equation are not real. You have to remember these 3 points. If delta is 0, then real and equal. If delta is greater than 0, then real and unequal. If delta is less than 0, then not real. Now solve the exercise 2.5, question number 1. Here it is given, fill in the gaps and complete. Quadratic equation is given, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, and this is in the box, and also here it is given, if b square minus 4ac is equal to 5 and b square minus 4ac is equal to minus 5. So what will happen? From this formula, you get b square by 4 is 5. It is 5 means it is greater than 0. If b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, it means delta is greater than 0, then equations are real and unequal. Again, if b square minus 4ac is minus 5 is less than 0. So if delta is less than 0, then the roots of quadratic equations are not real. So like this you can fill in the blanks. Now second question, sum of roots is minus 7, it is given, and you have to write the quadratic equation. If here it is given product of roots is 5, product is 5, so and sum is minus 7, here it is minus 7, sum is minus 7, so quadratic equation is x square minus 7x plus 5 is equal to 0. Question number 2 is find the value of discriminant. Here it is given 3 questions. 3 questions are given. So I have written all the 3 questions. Find the discriminant means you have to find b square minus 4ac. So for finding this b square minus 4ac, you have to write first value of a is 1, b is 7 and c is equal to minus 1. So b square minus 4ac is equal to b square is 7 square minus 4 into a into c. C is minus 1. Two signs come together. So bracket. 7 square is 49. Minus into minus is plus. 4 wins a 4 is 49 plus 4 53. Second, by comparing a is equal to b is equal to minus 5 and c is equal to 10. Find b square minus 4ac. b square means minus 5 square minus 4 into a into c. A is 2 and c is 10. 5 square is 25 minus 4 to the 8. 8 tens are 80 minus 25 25 minus 80 is minus 55. See the third one. A is equal to root 2, b is equal to 4 and c is equal to 2 root 2. b square minus 4ac is equal to b square means 4 square minus 4 into a is root 2 into c is 2 root 2. 4 square is 16 minus 4 into 2 is 8. Root 2 into root 2 is 2. Means 16 minus 16 is equal to 0. Now in our question number 3, it is instruction is given, determine the nature of roots of the following quadratic equation. We have to write nature of root, means we have to find determinant, whether it is equal to 0, less than 0 or greater than 0. So for finding these determinants, write the values. A is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 4 and c is equal to 4. Find delta. Delta means b square minus 4ac. So b square is minus 4 square minus 4 into A into C is 4. So minus 4 square is 16 minus 4 4s are 16 is equal to 0. So this comes delta is equal to 0. Delta is equal to 0. Just see our key points. What are there together? The roots of the equation are, if delta is equal to 0, then roots are real and equal. Real and equal. Now, see in the second question, by comparing A is equal to 2, B is equal to minus 7 and C is equal to 2. So, delta is equal to B square minus 4AC. B square means minus 7 square minus 4 into A into C. 7 square minus 7 square, 7 sevens are 49 minus 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16 is 26, 23. So delta is greater than 0. When delta is greater than 0, then the roots of equation are real and unequal. Real and unequal. Now, in the third question, by comparing A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2 and C is equal to 9. Find the delta. Delta is equal to B square minus 4AC. B is 2 square minus 4 into A into C. This comes 2 square is 4 minus 9 ones are 9, 9 4 the 36 is equal to minus 32. Means delta is less than 0. Now delta is less than 0, then the roots of equation are not real. Now see question number 4. Question 4 is, form the quadratic equation from the roots given below. Roots are given and we have to form the quadratic equation. For this, we have to just remember one key point, or you can say formula, to form the quadratic equation. To form the quadratic equation, you have to remember the formula x square minus in bracket alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. Now see, what is alpha and beta? If two roots are given, one is alpha and another is beta. See, question number 1 of this question number 4, roots are given 0 and 4. Let's suppose let alpha is equal to 0 and beta is equal to 4. These are the two roots given. So find the quadratic equation. By that formula is x square minus in bracket alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. So put the values of alpha and beta which is given. So therefore x square minus in bracket alpha is 0 and beta is 4, x plus alpha is 0 into beta is 4 is equal to 0. So this comes x square minus this 4x plus 0 into 4 is 0 is equal to 0. So therefore equation is x square minus 4x is equal to 0. This is the required equation. See the question number 2. 3 and minus 10. So let alpha is equal to 3 and beta is equal to minus 10. Write the formula. X square minus in bracket alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. Therefore put the values. X square minus alpha is 3 plus beta is minus 10. You can't write two signs at the same time, so put the bracket here and make this bracket a big one. X plus alpha is 3 into beta is minus 10 is equal to 0. Therefore x square minus 3 and minus 10 is minus 7. X minus 3 plus and minus 3 into 10 is 30 is equal to 0. Therefore x square, this minus into minus is plus 7x minus 30 is equal to 0. This is the required equation. See the question number 3. Question 3 is given is 1 upon 2 and minus 1 upon 2. Suppose or let alpha is equal to 1 upon 2 and beta is equal to minus 1 upon 2. So put the values of alpha beta in the formula. X square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. Put the values. Therefore x square minus alpha is 1 upon 2 plus minus beta into x plus alpha is 1 upon 2 into beta is minus 1 upon 2 is equal to 0. So this x square minus 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2 x plus this plus into minus is minus 1 upon 4 is equal to 0. Therefore this x square minus 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2 is 0. X minus 1 upon 4 is equal to 0. So x square minus 0x, no need to write, minus 1 upon 4 is equal to 0. Fourth one is 2 minus root 5 and 2 plus root 5. Let alpha is equal to 2 minus root 5 and beta is equal to 2 plus root 5. Write the formula. X square minus in bracket alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. Therefore, by putting the values of alpha and beta, x square minus, take a big bracket, alpha is 2 minus root 5 plus beta is 2 plus root 5 plus alpha is 2 minus root 5 and beta is 2 plus root 5 is equal to 0. See, x square minus in bracket, open these all brackets, 2 minus root 5 plus 2 plus root 5 plus here 2 minus root 5, 2 plus root 5. It's just like a minus b, a plus b. So its formula is a square minus b square. So 2 square minus root 5 square is equal to 0. Therefore, this minus root 5 and plus root 5 cancel. X square minus 2 plus 2 4. Here I forgot to write x plus 2 square is 4 and here minus 5 root 5 square, it will get minus 5 is equal to 0. So therefore x square minus 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. This is the required equation. I am omitting the question number 5 and 6 because it is deleted for the year 2020-21. So let's come to the question number 7. What is question number 7? The roots of each of the following quadratic equations are real and equal. Find k. I explained earlier, when delta is equal to 0. When delta is equal to 0, it means the roots of the equations are real and equal. So it is hidden here in this question. See the equation, 3y square plus ky plus 12 is equal to 0. It is given. So by comparing, a is equal to 3, b is equal to k and c is equal to 12. It is given the real equations is real and equal. Real and equal means it is equal to 0. So delta is equal to 0. So what is delta? B square minus 4ac. B square minus 4ac. It is delta. So find the b square minus 4ac. B is therefore b is k square minus 4 into a is 3 into c is 12 is 0. Why it is 0? Because it is given the roots of the equation is real and equal. It means it is 0. So therefore k square minus 4 to the 12, 12 12 the 144 is equal to 0. Therefore k square is equal to 144. Therefore k is plus minus 12. What is plus minus 12? Because square root of 144 is plus 12 and minus 12. So the roots are k is equal to either 12 or k is equal to minus 12. See the second question. Question is kx in bracket x minus 2 plus 6 is equal to 0. So let's convert this equation in general form. So therefore kx into x is kx square minus 2 into kx, 2kx plus 6 is equal to 0. By comparing with the equation, a is equal to k, b is equal to minus 2k and c is equal to 6. Find the delta. What is delta? Delta is b square minus 4ac. So find b square minus 4ac. b square, b is minus 2k. So minus 2k square minus 4 into a is k into c is 6, and this is equal to 0. So therefore minus 2k square is minus minus plus 4k square minus 6 for the 24k is equal to 0. Here take 4k common. Therefore 4k is common. Remaining is here k minus 4 is common. So 6, 4k is common. So remaining 6 is equal to 0. Therefore either 4k, this is a multiplication, put this figure on right side. So k minus 6 is equal to 0. 0 upon 4k means 0. Therefore k is equal to 6. This is the value of k.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.